So whether you're 3 feet away from Jagannath or whether you're 300 feet away from Jagannath, what's the difference? Is there a difference? Say the pujari stands 300 feet away and does puja. Will Jagannath accept it? Yes or no? Yes. So we got inspired that, I can bathe the Lord today. Because you can't bathe the Lord when he has his clothes on. So when he's on Rath Yatra cart, you can mentally bathe him, but he's all dressed. And everyone can see him on Rath Yatra. So we took all our paraphernalia, and we're as much devotion as we can pretend, let's say. Not muster, but say pretend. As much devotion as we can pretend. I had a snan patra to catch the water, and I was ringing the bell, and I was doing full snan and puja to Jagannath with full absorption. And I felt like by the telescope of my heart, Jagannath came from the top, he came right in front of me. This is called Prem Sankarshan. Prem Sankarshan. It is the power of Prem which attracts the Lord to come in the heart. Just like magnet. We have magnetic force. There's two, everyone knows the power of magnetism. You have some magnet and some iron filings, they get nearby. Magnetic attraction. That's a common energy, a force of attraction in this world. But what's more powerful than that? Mitun Karshan. Sex attraction. The attraction between man and woman. That's the most powerful force in this world. But that's only material. Material body. Two material bodies attracted by an inexplicable, let's say, uncontrollable attractive power. Sex attraction. It's a type of magnetism also. But that's only material. Now what to speak of the attraction, spiritual attraction of the Atma for Krishna? How much energy that the Atma has and how much it... Because the Lord is a giant magnet. You imagine, Bhagavan, Krishna, he's like a magnet as big as this planet. His heart is like a huge magnet. And our heart is like a small filing, a small piece of iron, small shred of iron. And if we get anywhere near the Lord, boom! We get anywhere near, if the iron gets near the magnet, it comes and gets stuck. So we had this experience, and then some panda walked by when I was doing puja, and he just made a comment. He said, actually, I'm just saying what he said. Whatever it means, I can't say. But he looked at me, and then he said, "You're actually doing Snan Yatra." Me means Srila Prabhupada, because I was only representing my father, nothing from my side. But the point is that anyone could have come and done full puja to Jagannath on that day. The mercy was open. And that I felt such an incredible experience from that, taking advantage.